Hi, today's recipe is a sweet and sour crab. We're using legs and claws of a king crab, and you can see this is the sort of packet we got. We broke this up into smaller bits just so it's easier to cook. So this is what you'll have, and in the next shot we'll show you how to prepare this recipe. So you'll first add 4 tablespoons of oil into your cooking pot. And wait for that to heat up before you add the next ingredient. And you want to set your pot on high heat. When you've given it about a minute, you can add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, just like that. And stir the mixture up. Next, you'll add 2 bunches of spring onions that have been cut into small pieces. Add that to the mix. And continue stirring. And you follow that up by adding 1 bunch of fresh coriander, again cut into small pieces. And continue stirring. At this point, you can drop all the crab pieces inside. Again, give it a quick stir. Mix all the ingredients in there. Next, you will want to add 3 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce into the mix. Drop the heat to medium, not high heat anymore. So we'll add 3 full tablespoons of those. You'll add 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. And you'll add 3 tablespoons of this sweet chili sauce, which is sweet and sour sauce, into the mix as well. Last but not least, add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. You can find all 4 of these sauces at your local Asian store. So, add 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, and stir the whole mixture up. And at this point you should be on low heat. You keep stirring this mixture up for the next 15 minutes. At which point it should be ready. So I'll show you how it looks then. After all that stirring, this is what your crab should look like. This looks like it's about ready to be served. So in the next shot we'll show you how it looks when it's ready to eat. And this is the recipe complete. So you see it looks really good, and it doesn't take too long to make as well. So it's a pretty simple recipe. You can serve this with fried rice, is what it would be commonly served with, because it's kind of like a curry as well as the crab. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.